Against what? Flood. Against what? I don't know where this flood is coming from. And I don't know what this flood is going to destroy. Lift up your voice and say, my Father, any flood the enemy has programmed to swallow cities, to swallow communities, to swallow villages, let your spirit raise a standard. I keep seeing war against Nigeria, and I see in Nigeria the state of Maiduguri State buy gari at the rate of 1,000 naira, a cup of gari. A cup of gari, 1,000 naira. So I asked God why. He said things will go tougher and tougher.